excited. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting video for me today. So Cricut sent me this mystery box and I'm very excited to unbox it with you guys. Okay, so I've already opened it but I have not looked inside. So let's get into this video. Alright, so let's get unboxing. Let's see. Ooh, bubble wrap. Okay, we've got a little card. Dear Ambassador, we are so excited for you to get started on your journey with Cricut. Oh, thank you for your patience as everything falls in place. Enjoy every moment unpacking your cutie crate. Then get cracking and make magic, but above all, have fun. Oh, this is like super cute. Just makes me excited. And then we've got some bubble wrap. We just have to press. Okay. Ooh, I'm very excited for this. This is like a super cool kit. I think every little crafter or Cricut crafter needs this kit. I've been wanting this kit for so long. This is literally all you need and then you are like sorted, except for your machine, of course. Alright, so let's read what we get. So we've got a portable trimmer for quick straight cuts. That's this. Then we've got a trimmer replacement blade. That's this blade here. Then we've got a trimmer scoring blade. Creates straight accurate score lines. That's cool. So that's this here. Let's see. Okay, so it's actually these two blades here. Then we've got a scoring stylus, which is this. This is like a super awesome tool. I absolutely love it. Then we've got a weeder removes tiny cuts. That is this tool here. This is the best ever for vinyl. Then we've got tweezers, features a reverse grip. Oh wow, that's cool. So this is your tweezers here. And then we've got a spatula for precisely lifts images from cutting mat. That's here. And then we've got scissors, have a fine tip and blade over. Wow, that's cool. So that's there we go. And then the last thing we've got a scraper, cleans and removes unwanted scrapes from the cutting mat. And that is this little scraper here. So there we go, the first thing. Already I'm super excited. Alright, then we've got some paper. Oh, and more paper. Okay. Ooh, the first thing I see is my Cricut cutie. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to open it. In lilac. So, I don't know if you guys know, but this is actually a collectible item. So, you only get it in the Cricut mystery boxes. There we go. So cute. There, now you can see it better. Can't wait to get many more of these. Next up we've got some Cricut pens. I absolutely love Cricut pens. I'm so happy that I have more colors to use now. Very awesome. I love it. Okay, next up what we have, let's see. We've got holographic vinyl. There we go. So beautiful, so colorful. And I see there is actually 3 different colors in here. Okay, so each strip here, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, there we go, is a different color. And it shows the color here. It is opal, blue and pink. So that's awesome. I can't wait to try this out. Next up we've got, let's see, what is this? Red iron-on vinyl. This is going to go so awesome with my Easy Press Mini. And also there is also 3 colors. We've got red, black and white. So that's awesome. Next up we've got another red vinyl. This is permanent vinyl. Okay, but there's also different colors in here. That's awesome. So we've got red, orange, maize yellow, Kelly green, medium blue and forest green. So there's all the colors that is included in this. This is so awesome. And there we go, we can actually use it on a cup if we want to, so I'm very excited about that. Next up we've got, what is this? Sport Flex iron-on. Okay, so this is basically that you can use for clothing, especially sportswear. Once again, we've got 3 different colors. We've got gold, white and silver, so that is very awesome. I can't wait to try all of these colors out. Next up, what do we have here? Ooh, this has got patterns on. How cool is that? So this is also permanent vinyl. Also 3 colors. We've got gold here, silver and a platinum color. Oh wow. And then if you can look at this picture, we can use it on a mug if we want to. So this is permanent vinyl, so it will actually stick on it. So this is cool. I can't wait to try out these patterns. And there we go. There is the 3 different colors for you to see. Very, very cool. Okay, we've got 2 left. The first one, we've got, what is this? Cricut infusible ink. This is very, very awesome. I'm definitely going to use this. I can't wait to try this out. But actually, I'm going to open it. I wonder if it's all these 4 colors. You actually use this with your Easy Press Mini or just your any heat press. But let's just open it. I want to see if there is more than 1 color in here. If I can get it open. What is wrong with me that I can't get this box open? Okay. Okay, let's see. Yep, 3 different colors. This is so exciting, you guys. Okay, so, oh my goodness. What is this? Okay, so this is actually the transfer sheets. So as far as I understand that you're going to put this over your vinyl so that it doesn't burn when you use it on the heat press. And then we've got the little mermaid pattern. We've got a blue and pink pattern there. And that's what we have. Oh, there's more. We've got some lines. Very, very cool. I could just imagine this on a t-shirt. And then we've got like a little stonish design. That is very cool. And I think that, oh wait, there's one more left. Okay, so let me just put this aside. Then we've got another permanent vinyl. This one actually is quite a lot. We can also use on a cup or anything that we feel we want to use permanent vinyl on. This is a glossy. And then we've got the colors here as well. We've got parchment, black, white, coffee, gold and silver. So that's the colors we have here. Very, very cool. Can't wait to try all these products out. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. If you liked it, please remember to like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a video. And if you want to see me use these products, please remember to follow me on social media, and I will definitely post more videos on this channel as well. Now for the next video, I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek of what I will do. This mystery box was not the only thing that I got from Cricut. The next thing they sent me was this, the Cricut Explore Air 2. So I'm very excited to open this, but this will happen in the next video. So that's all from me for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!